DIY with me, Deloris. Hello. I did not see you there. I'm busy looking at leaves. Hi, my name is DIY Deloris. Before we start, let me tell you, if you don't have a nice lipstick on, you're not going to have a nice decoration. The nice lipstick that I got on, Labello. Okay. So today I'm going to show you how to do a pretty wedding decoration DIY. With a pretty fake mama. So what you'll need is a pretty jar, silver from £10. Doesn't have to be expensive. Some fairy lights, some moss if you got moss, and some fake flowers. So I just stole these from my amma. Yeah. So what we're first gonna do, stick it in the jar, and once it's in, we're going to stick our thing down with some tape. Now look, you got some fairy lights in a jar. Now we need to cover this on switch thing, this thing. So we're going to take some moss, some of this pretty moss. We're going to shove it around. It can hang a little bit. We can make it hang a little bit. And then we're going to take a beautiful fake flower. Fake, real, whatever you prefer. Doesn't matter. Maybe not that one. And we are going to stick it in the moss. So minutes well. And then, once we are done, we are going to turn the lights on. Voila! Easy peasy, lemon squeeze. DIY with me, Deloris.